The company behind Jameson whiskey has bought shares in Jumia, increasing its stock price. More on this shortly, but first, welcome to Tech News at TechPression, where you get the latest updates from Africa's tech scene. I'm Datom George. Let's go. Pernod Ricard increases Jumia's stake, purchase 1.27 million shares. Uber's Q2 global bookings reached $40 billion, eyes $41.75 billion in Q3. Legal team for Binance executive allegedly denied access at Kuje prison. Africa's biggest e-commerce platform, Jumia, has sold 1.2 million of its shares to Pernod Ricard, the global giant behind Jameson whiskey and longtime investor of Jumia. This move bumps up their stake in Jumia from 6.4% to 7.5%. It looks like Pernod Ricard is seeing big potential in Jumia and wants to tap into its massive customer base. Could this be the start of more global brands pouring into Africa? Let me know what you think. Uber is killing it globally as their Q2 numbers are out and they've hit a whopping $40 billion in gross bookings. That's not all, as they're expecting to reach $41.75 billion in Q3. With operations in Ghana, Nigeria, Ivory Coast and several other countries, Uber is definitely not slowing down, expanding in everything from ride-hailing to deliveries and even freight services. This company is definitely one to keep an eye on. Now, getting into some legal drama, Tigran Gambaryan, a top executive at Binance, currently locked up in Kuje prison, Nigeria, is allegedly blocked from meeting with his legal team. Yes, he's caught up in a legal mess and this denial of access is raising eyebrows. This has everyone talking about the state of legal rights and due process in this case. It's a messy situation and people are watching closely to see how it all plays out. That's it on today's episode of Tech News at TechPression. What do you think about Pernod Ricard's move on Jumia? Are you surprised by Uber's numbers? And what are your thoughts on the situation with Binance executive? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Now don't forget to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Also, check out our website at www.techpression.com for the full stories. I'm Datom George. Stay innovative and I'll see you when I see you. Bye bye.